Hello, been here a few days now, or 5 days or something, and it's just been snowing non-stop, which is just so nice because it's very, very festive. This kind of weather really, just you can't help but feel slightly, you know, Christmassy with it. So yeah, everything's so beautiful, but it makes everything like twice as slow getting to places, you know. It takes twice as long to walk anywhere. But I'm not complaining, it's gorgeous. I've put all my bunting up now, so about 9 meters worth of bunting up there. And then I put this scarf over this lamp, which is not hot in any way, by the way, and it's like a pink glow. Some nice fairy lights, Moomin print, and some like photos from home. I've got Penny there, me and my friend in Estonia, various other bits, Russian frogs, and Alberto, who has somehow managed to acquire a braid. What do you reckon? Oh yeah, of course we've got roadkill and this spider, which I didn't actually talk about in the other video. Coniston six-legged spider. So yeah, this is the room. Very cozy. Also, this is my house key, which I absolutely love. It's just like a massive old golden key. I just think that's so awesome. I wish like all house keys looked like that. It's freaking cool.